Hi, I'm David.
And I'm Esme.
Welcome to the Sabre Personal Safety Academy. This is our safety and empowerment space to help you make it safe. We know that personal safety is personal, so we're here to help you with your personal safety plan. We want you to feel comfortable with it and become more familiar with how to use your product while under stress.
So first off, with the pepper spray, make sure you keep it handy. It won't do you any good in the bottom of a purse or in the bottom of your car's center console. Your pepper spray might have a snap clip, a quick release keychain, a belt clip. Use those.
And you need to be familiar with the deployment technique of your spray, whether it's a flip top, a twist lock, one of the traditional cap tops. You have to be familiar with that and your spray pattern. So while under stress, it's better that you've been in a situation where you've deployed a spray prior. So that's why we have a practice spray filled with water. And here we demonstrate how to properly deploy your spray. So we do highly recommend practicing with one of the practice sprays prior, and these are the blue products, prior to being in a dangerous situation to give you that extra level of confidence, that muscle memory, you've done it before. I'm also a big advocate of using your thumb. One of the more myths perhaps is someone's going to take the pepper spray away from you. So if you're using your index finger, you leave the can more vulnerable, you just don't have as strong of a grip. So again, I'm a real big believer also of a finger grip type product. Using your thumb, you get a nice strong grip, you use your thumb to deploy that finger grip, which actually allows me with my eyes closed to grab it and point it in the right direction. That's how familiar you need to be. And lastly, and it's going to increase your accuracy, and lastly, if need be, you can even strike with this type of hold.
Next, know your distance. Be sure to check the range on your pepper spray before you need to use it. Most Sabre pepper sprays and gels have a range of 10 to 25 feet, so be sure to keep that in mind so that you know exactly what your maximum distance is between yourself and a potential threat if you need to use it in a dangerous situation. Once you get comfortable with storing and holding your product, it's time to learn how to actually use it. Pepper sprays and gels both deploy extremely similarly, so these tips work for both.
So that distance that Esme spoke about may not always be the case. You may have the attacker up close to you when you go to use your spray. We do recommend you use your dominant hand to deploy the spray, and if necessary, have your other hand out in front of you so you can push off to gain that distance. So with this product, with a stream or a gel spray, we recommend an ear-to-ear deployment across the eyes. If it's a cone or a fog type spray pattern, we recommend more up-down towards the center of the face. The nice thing about Sabre products is we use the natural pigment that pepper spray provides. So it's kind of a dark orange-red situation. So you can see if you missed on the attacker's face, right? So if you go across, ear to ear, across the eyes, you miss with the first shot, you visualize that, maybe hit the forehead or lower, you re-aim, and you go back. You throw it in reverse so you contact that ocular area. You want to saturate that. So the idea is that involuntary eye closure, close their eyes. They may also feel some severe burning sensation on their facial skin and maybe even a loss of breath sensation. When that occurs, it doesn't mean that they're necessarily going to stop if they're charging at you. It doesn't physically stop them from moving, but you're taking away their vision, so you need to be prepared, pretend like it's a train or a bull coming at you and get off that track. You want to sidestep and escape to safety.
So like David said, we say spray and away at Sabre. Make sure you get to safety first and then call for help if needed. We hope these tips make you more comfortable with your pepper spray or gel, and know that you're among millions of people that choose Sabre pepper sprays every year. Be safe, go confidently, and trust your instincts. They're usually right.